Hello guys, on a quick one, I'm going to be teaching you on how to notify your subscribers on your videos that you've made. You know, so it's not every of, let me tell you one secret about YouTube. It's not every of your video that you make that your subscriber will be notified that you've already created the content. Even when you say please like and share this video and hit the bell verification, even if you do that, YouTube will not spread your video reach your people that have already subscribed to your channel. The reason why I'm saying it is experience. That's that's why I'm saying this. You understand? There's a setting I'm going to show you now, your YouTube studio, that when you click on notify subscribers, once you click on notify subscribers, all your subscribers will be notified about your video. If you have 10,000 subscribers, those 10,000 people must surely see your video, except they choose not to watch it or your content is not good. That's when they will not watch it. You understand? I'm going to be giving you this tutorial now shortly. Okay, and please, if you're seeing this video, please don't forget to like and share and subscribe.
So you click on create and you click on upload, then here select files. This library, you go to library, then let me see, let's take for instance now I want to upload something like this. Let me because this video is too long, let me use something like this, then click on add. So here is where it will take you to. This is where you put your title and the rest of the thing. You know how to upload now. Then this is the major important part. You click on show more, then here, this is the important part of it. This is the important part of it. They say standard YouTube license. That's not the major part. Then this allow embedded system, allow embedding. Then this one publish to subscriber field and notify subscribers. So look at it, then you click on the both. You understand? Let's take, but the major important one is on this. You remove this one, you add this. If you want all your subscribers to be notified that you already have you are uploading, you have already uploaded video, this is the setting that you take. You understand? And after this, you go ahead, then fill the rest blank space there. Then before you upload, make sure you do this on your YouTube studio before uploading. This is the major important part. That's why people are not getting views, engagement and watch hours as they think. So this is the better way for you to go to upload your video. Then for instance now, if your subscribers, like if people that subscribe to your YouTube channel, like if they don't follow your video, then you have to click on this one, then remove this one. This publish to subscription feed and notify subscriber, you remove it. Then allow embedding. This allow embedding, you leave it. YouTube will push your video to the right audience. That's what this embedding means. So that's how you're gonna do it. So this is how to upload video to notify your subscribers. And if you do it this way, your video will be going viral. So thanks once again. My name is Big Joe.